All right, guys, let's open another trade. So here I'm sharing with you another session, trading session, of course, on IQ option. As you can see, guys, I'm trading on IQ option. I'm trading with Euro USD as usual. I like to stick with Euro USD. I'm trading, binary options. Here I'm investing $400 and I'm expecting to have $384. So if my prediction is right, so this one is going down. So I predicted that this one is going down. I opened the sell position here, and I'm predicting that this one is going down. So I'm waiting for this. So I still have 13 seconds, and we will see. So the strategy, guys, I'm using here. Let's take this one, and I will continue. Yeah. So hopefully, yep. So the strategy, guys, I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. Yeah, I opened this one because so I'm using this three indicators. So parabolic SAR, this Bollinger Bands, and here I'm using RSI. So my strategy is based on three or sometimes four. Sometimes I use the moving average. Sometimes I use MACD also. And on the chart patterns that I use, my own chart patterns, yeah, my own chart patterns. Yeah, sometimes I use the chart patterns. Great. And yeah, if you master the strategy, guys, the course is in the description below. So if you are interested in learning the strategy, go to the course, try to learn it, try to master it, practice on demo account, invest time, invest money, and yeah, hopefully by the end you will be familiar with the strategy. Yeah, this one is going down. So you will be familiar with the strategy, and you will be able to master the indicators, the way I trade, how I trade on OTC. So you can be also trading on OTC. So yeah, I invite you to go and take a look. So with this strategy, I'm able to predict. For example, here I'm predicting at least, at least the next 7 or 8, yes, next 7 or 8 candles. I'll be able to predict the colors, the direction of the market, and yeah, I still have 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Yeah. So my strategy, guys, the way I explain it is simple. Yes, a little bit small, but simple, right? Simple. I don't use a lot of indicators, a lot of calculations. I use simple. I use also candles colors, the candles direction, the candle size on my trading, and yeah, with time you'll understand that this is comfortable. This is sure. With this, you can make profit. Once you learn the strategy, you will understand why I'm saying this. Now, there's nothing magical about it. There's nothing magical. It's simple, basic, and yeah. Hopefully, guys. Yep, another trade. So let me delete this. All right. Let's open another trade. $400. Yeah, $400. This one is going up. Yeah, this one is going to be a green candle. Sorry. Great. This one is going up. I'm investing $400. I don't like to invest more than $400, by the way. I like to stick with $400, sometimes $500 maximum. I trade with $200 also, with $100, $300. Yeah, that's enough. If I'm making $300 in a trade, I trade 8 positions. Yeah, like this one, 8 positions. I'm making $3,000. That's amazing, right? That's amazing. I can quit the day and call it the day. Right. Beautiful. Let me just see. Unfortunately, this one, I missed this one. Guys, I'm a little bit, just give me some time. Guarantee you. Give me a minute here. Yeah. So, this one is 100% going up. This one, not 100%. No, 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 not 100%. Maybe, let's see the next. Yeah, so 100% going up. 100% win. Yeah, 100% a win. Yeah. This one is going up. And I believe I'm making some profit here. Yeah, some profit guaranteed here. Sorry, I'm not home right now. I'm outside on another country, and the network is slow here. Um, Great, but that's all right. This one is going up 100%. I guess I still have perhaps two other candles. Two candles. Yeah, I still have two candles. Right. So this one was a win, and let's see. This one, yeah. It's still going up. Yeah, the market is still going up. So look at the colors. But this one is going to be the last one. This one is going to be the last one. All right. This one is going to be the last one. So look. Great RSI. So everything is telling me that this one is going to be the last one. But I will open other trades later, or tomorrow perhaps I will upload another video. I will share with you the video, and yeah, perhaps we will yeah. All right, guys, I'll see you later.